If you're looking for a privacy-focused VPN in 2026 and don't want to pay full price, this video is for you. Right now, you can get Proton VPN at a discounted price using an active Proton VPN coupon code, and I've placed the official discount link in the description and in the pinned comment. You don't need to enter any code manually. Just click the link, choose your plan, and the discount is applied automatically at checkout. So why choose Proton VPN? Proton VPN is known for its strong focus on privacy and transparency. It's developed by the same team behind Proton Mail and follows a strict no-logs policy, with open-source apps and independent audits. It works across all major platforms, including Windows, macOS, Android, iPhone, and Linux, so one subscription can protect all your devices. Proton VPN also includes built-in protection, like NetShield, which helps block ads, trackers, and malicious domains while you browse. While Proton VPN does offer a free plan, the paid plans unlock much better speeds, more server locations, and full performance, which is why using a coupon code is the best way to upgrade without overpaying. To get the deal, simply click the Proton VPN coupon link in the description or the pinned comment. Select the plan that fits you best and complete your purchase with the discount already applied. So if you want a secure privacy-first VPN and the best possible price, this Proton VPN coupon is definitely worth using. If this video helped you out, make sure to like it, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more VPN deals, reviews, and privacy tips.